How to change WhatsApp profile picture on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device, and now in order to change your profile picture, simply tap on the settings option on the bottom right of your screen, and here you will see your profile. So tap on your profile name and you will then see the option for edit right below your profile picture. So tap on the edit option you see there, and now you can simply take a photo or choose a photo or create an AI image for your profile picture on WhatsApp. If not, you can also simply import from your Instagram or from your Facebook. So go ahead and choose your preferred option. For me, I will choose from my photos. So tap on the choose photo option you see there, and further go ahead and choose a valid picture for your profile picture. You can then go ahead and rescale and resize the picture depending on your preference, and once done, simply tap on the choose option on the bottom right of your screen, and with this, as you can see, the profile picture has been changed. So this was about how you can change your profile picture on WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.